Hi everyone, JJ Walsh here. I'm really excited to unbox my second subscription of Vegan Osaka treats. Let's see what we get this month. Last month we enjoyed all of the burgers and sausages, and I've asked for a variety of the products that they have there, handmade and vegan in Osaka. By Slices, and oh my gosh, so excited to see what we got this time. So it looks like it, once again, it's in this cool bag, and keeps everything nice and cool delivery in Japan as well. It came, let's see what's in here. Vegan meatballs. Oh my gosh, those look really good. What do we have here? Vegan fried chicken. Can't wait to try that. Oh my gosh, the cheeses were so popular with the whole family last time. This time we have sun-dried tomato cheddar cheese. It's amazing. You know, this cheese, it really has regular dairy cheese type of consistency. It's so tasty, and it's dairy-free. And handmade, creamy and smooth, vegan Mont d'Or. I apologize to anyone who speaks French. Oh my gosh. Spicy Korean mushrooms. Look at that. That looks amazing. Ooh. Smoky barbecue mushrooms. Can't wait to try those. Sour herb crackers. Awesome. Artisanal sourdough crackers. Again. Oh my gosh. Vegan shepherd's pie. 2 of them. Maybe I don't have to share these with the family. Thank you, Vegan Osaka. You guys are awesome.